Hello again guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a new product from Evolution Fireworks called Aurora. This one is a low noised fan comet tails cake. It has a 64 shot. It has an NEC of 103 grams. It's a category F3. And it has a time duration of 36 seconds. It's a very unique piece. I believe it's only, I think, three months old, I think, this one. Yeah. It's very compact. And I think the effects are there on the bottom. So guys, tell me what you think of this one. Please like, share and comment and subscribe. And I'll see you all again tomorrow with a new video. Cheers guys.